In this video, we're going to discuss how to troubleshoot the HiHi and high injection rate alarms on the Z9000 Odorizer. These are alarms that are triggered when our injection rate passes our high and HiHi settings. These settings can be found by going to the main tech view screen, clicking Settings, and clicking Odorant. Inside the Odorant settings screen, we have our target injection rate, our low, high, and high injection rate alarm settings. As you can see here, we have the defaulted settings, where a low will be generated at 0.01 pounds, a low at 0.1 pounds, a high at 1 pound, a high at 3 pounds, or if 500 drops are delivered in a batch cycle. To confirm the HiHi alarm or high alarm, you'll want to go to the alarms page. We can see here that we are currently in a HiHi alarm. First off, we want to check our pressures on our tank and actuation gas. The tank pressure should be 15 to 30 pounds over pipeline pressure, and the actuation gas should be set between 70 and 80 psi. Once we confirm that the pressures are okay, we want to clear the alarm by pressing the clear button on the alarm page. We can then minimize the alarm screen. On our overview page, we'll want to turn the Odorizer back on by pressing the click to turn on button. With the Odorizer on, we'll want to watch how fast drops fall once the isolation valve opens and the servo opens the metering valve. In drip mode, the two positions that the valve can work between are the floor and ceiling. Here our floor is 0.05 and our ceiling is 0.60. In drip mode, if we notice excessive drops, our ceiling may be too far open. If that's the case, we can click on the Ceilings tab and lower the ceiling so that our valve cannot open up too far and deliver too much odorant. In batch mode, we can only work in between the minimum valve position and the maximum valve position, which are indicated on our valve settings page. Our minimum valve position cannot be set below our floor, and our max valve position cannot be set above our ceiling. If the unit continues to drip too much at the max valve position, then we'll want to lower the max valve position so that the valve does not have the full range of travel and cannot deliver too much odorant. The other setting you'll want to check when troubleshooting this alarm is to make sure that your target injection rate is not higher than any of these alarm settings. As you can see here, our injection rate is 1 pound and our high injection rate alarm is set for 1 pound. If this is the case, we'll want to raise our high injection rate alarm to a value above our target injection rate to keep it from going into alarm. Once you've checked the valve settings and made sure that your target injection rate is below your alarm threshold, the Odorizer should stay out of a high or high alarm. If you continue to get these alarms after confirming these settings, you'll want to check the optical comparator on your Odorizer. This is the device that counts the drops as they fall from the metering valve. If this is set too sensitive, we will notice an amber colored or red time in the seconds between last drops field. This indicates that we are counting 2 or more drops when only 1 drop has fallen. In order to adjust this, we will adjust the gain screw on the optical comparator and reduce it so that it does not pick up as many drops.